Ever wondered about a powerful exercise that aids in weight loss and builds strength simultaneously? The answer is pull-ups. Pull-ups, a compound exercise, engage multiple muscle groups at once. This includes your back, arms and core. The result? An increased calorie burn and significant muscle development. But before you get started, remember warming up is vital. Engage your arms, shoulders and back in a brief warm-up session. This will prepare your body for the strenuous exercise ahead and reduce the risk of injury. For beginners, jumping straight into pull-ups might seem daunting, but don't worry. Assisted pull-ups are a great starting point. By using bands or a partner, you can lighten the load and gradually build up strength. The key to a successful pull-up lies in the form. Keep your shoulders back, engage your core, and pull yourself up in a controlled motion. Avoid swinging or jerking, as these can lead to injuries. Tracking progress is an essential part of any fitness journey. Aim for more reps or reduce assistance as you get stronger. Remember, consistency is key. While pull-ups might not directly cause weight loss, they contribute to it by building muscle, which boosts metabolism. This, in turn, enhances overall fitness. Safety, however, should always be a priority. Listen to your body and avoid overstraining. If you have any underlying conditions, it's always advisable to consult a professional before starting any new exercise regimen. In summary, pull-ups can be a powerful tool in your fitness journey. They aid in weight loss and help sculpt your body. Start slow, be consistent, and you'll see progress in no time. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and drop your comments below. Until next time, stay fit and stay motivated. See you soon.